Hello guys, this is part 4 of the video and let's solve the problem. The question says, my grandfather was 9 times older than me by 16 years ago. Older than me 16 years ago. He will be 3 times of my age 8 years from now. 8 years ago, the ratio of my age to that of my grandfather was. So in this question, I'll show you how to solve the problem. First, let's do it. My grandfather was 9 times older than me 16 years ago. First, write 16 years ago. Grandfather and me. Okay. 9 times grandfather ratio. 9 times older than me. 1. He will be 3 times of my age 8 years from now. This is present. After 8 years means 3 times from my age. 8 years ago the ratio of the was. So first let's see. There's a difference of 8 in the ratio, and this one 1 2 3 2. So the ratio of both of them, the difference in the ratio are not same. So first let's make it same by multiplying by multiple 4. So the ratio will become 4 into 3 12. The new ratio will become 12 into 4, and this is same, so minus 2 remains the same. 9 to 12 and 1 to 4. 9, 10, 11, 12. 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. Both of them, the difference is same. From 9 to 12 there is 3. From 1 to 4 there is 3. So now we can solve. And this 3 is equal to, what did I say? 3 is equal to the gap difference. Equal to much here? 8 plus 8. Here 16. 8, 16, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 24. So the value of 3 is equal to 24, 1, 8. 1 will be 8. So we have find the value of 1 is 8. Now let's find if 1 value is 8, then for 9 how much? But the question says so we can find from here, but we can find either way, but since they asked 8 years ago, so we can also find from this side. This now, but we can just subtract, then you just get the answer. So let's do it like this. It is 12 into 8. Okay, how much? 96. And 4 into 8, 32. Right. So after 8 years the value became this. So they asked 8 years ago. So from here 8 years ago. From 8 years ago means from present to 8 years. Another minus 8. That means how many years gap? From 8 to present 8 years. From present to another 8 years ago means 16. So if we subtract 96, if we subtract 96 and 32 by 16, you will get the answer, that is 80 and 60. And if you want, they ask in the ratio form, so 16 5 yeah and 16 1 yeah. So this will be the ratio form. Guys, so the question says a man age is 150% of what it was 10 years ago, but 75% of what it will be after 10 years. Find the present age. So for this type of question, first the easiest way is first find the percentage value. 150% means what? 5 3 are 15, 5 3 are 10, right? 3 is by 2. 75%. What is 75%? 25 3s are 25, 4s are 3 to 4, right? So this is the ratio value. So the question says 10 years ago, it is 10 years ago. It says is 150% of what was 10 years ago. 150%, 150% of what was last time, right? So if it is in the ratio form, 2/3, okay, and but 75% of what will be after 10 years. 75% is what? 75 by 100 is 3/4, 10 years. So this is it. 3, 4. So we wrote the equation 2 is to 3 and 3 is to 4. In the present, the ratio are same. We don't need to make the ratio equal because here is 3 and here is 3. So we can just find out the 2, 3 and 4. Right? For 2 to 1, the difference is 1. From 3 to 4, the difference is 1. And the total of this is what? For 1, here we have 10. From here to here, it is 10. 10. From here to here also it's 10. So 1 is equal to 10. 10 for 3 equal to 10 into 3. That is 30 years. That's how we solve the problem. Thank you. And this is the last question for this type of this part. See you in the next video. Bye bye.